Some furniture tries too hard. Others simply show up and do the job. The Flamaker Futon sofa bed falls into the second category. It understands modern living spaces, limited room, busy households, and the need for furniture that adapts without drama. At a glance, this futon leans modern. Clean lines, tufted detailing, and a simple silhouette give it a quiet confidence. The design feels intentional but not loud, making it easy to place in a living room, bedroom, basement, dorm, or home office without forcing the rest of the decor to change. It looks current without chasing trends, which usually ages better over time. The real strength of this futon lies in its flexibility. The backrest adjusts into 3 positions: upright for conversations or gaming, reclined for lounging, and fully flat for napping or overnight guests. The movement between these angles is smooth and intuitive, not stiff or clunky. This is furniture that understands people don't want to wrestle with it after a long day. When fully extended, the futon becomes a guest bed that feels practical rather than desperate. It is not pretending to replace a full mattress, but it offers enough space and support for adults to sleep comfortably. The removable armrests double as throw pillows, a small but thoughtful touch that adds comfort without adding clutter. Comfort is firm, but forgiving. The high resilient sponge filling provides support without feeling hard, which makes it suitable for both sitting and sleeping. The cushions hold their shape well, giving the sofa a neat look even after regular use. This balance works especially well in shared spaces where the futon sees a lot of action. One of the more charming features is the pair of removable cup holders. They fold down neatly from the center, turning the futon into a surprisingly social piece of furniture. Drinks stay within reach during movie nights or game sessions, and when not needed, the holders disappear just as easily. It is one of those features that seems minor until it becomes part of the daily routine. The upholstery deserves mention for its practicality. The selected fabric feels smooth and durable, designed to handle real life rather than just careful sitting. Spills wipe away easily, which makes this futon especially appealing for households with kids or pets. Maintenance feels simple, not precious. Underneath the clean design sits a sturdy metal frame with solid legs that provide excellent stability. With a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, the futon feels grounded and secure, even when fully extended. There is no noticeable wobble, and it holds up well to daily use, lounging, and sleeping. Assembly is refreshingly straightforward. Most setups take around 20 to 40 minutes, depending on tools and experience. Everything needed comes in the box, though some parts are tucked inside a zippered compartment under the seat, including the cup holders and armrest pillows. Once discovered, the process becomes logical and smooth. A power drill can speed things up, but it is not required. The size is another quiet win. Compact enough for smaller rooms, yet spacious enough to seat adults comfortably, this futon strikes a smart balance. It fits where larger sofas cannot, without feeling cramped or temporary. The Flamaker Futon sofa bed feels honest. It does not promise luxury beyond its purpose. Instead, it delivers reliability, flexibility, and thoughtful features at a level that feels fair and satisfying. For anyone needing a modern, space-conscious sofa that works just as hard as the people using it, this futon earns its place without asking for attention.